Google search for something, but minus something or take away something. So I do minus. I want to type salad recipe minus cheese. I don't love to add cheese to my salad. So I go to Google. In the search bar, I type salad recipe minus cheese. So let's do it. I type salad recipe. I want to add minus sign. I can bring it from my keyboard editor. Keyboard screen, minus. How can I do minus? Salad recipe minus. This is minus sign. Minus cheese for cheese. Yes? Leave and join again. What? No one open his camera. All cameras are off. If someone open his camera, please close your camera, yeah, grade 4, okay? Because we want them to see the full screen. So hurry up, yeah. Who was asking? Hurry up. Open Google. Type salad recipe minus cheese. I don't love to eat cheese with my salad. So I have like fresh tomato and cheese, but I don't want this. I want recipe ideas. Okay. I have like many recipe, but without cheese. Okay. I have many recipes over here. Okay. Fresh and tasty. Russian cheese salad recipe. Wow. 3 cheese loaded Italian salad. They add more cheese. I type minus. They add more cheese here, grade 4. Okay. So this is like minus sign. I do minus sign as existed in the book. I got like a salad recipe. Okay, I think I add extra space. Let me try again. Remove the space. Now I have a different result because I removed the space. I have salad but without cheese. This is what I want. Let me try the first website. Always a grade 4, go to the first websites. When you type cheese, do not make a space between minus sign and the cheese. That was a big mistake. 140 salad recipe ideas. This is Pinterest. I want this website. This is a category for salad, but without cheese. As you can see, now I'm able to cook a salad without adding cheese. I have advertised. Close always pop in advertisement grade 4. This is show me the recipe. Chili recipe broccoli salad. I can make like a broccoli salad without cheese, and this is also video pop screen. Show me how to cook something. You can close it from here, grade 4. So I have like a broccoli cut into small chunks, 1 small red onion, medjool, dates. It show you a half cup of almond, 2 chili crisp to add. Now I'm able to cook this broccoli salad without cheese. This is another salad without cheese. Kale crunch salad. It show you the ingredients, how to cook it. Okay, grade 4. So I'm able to have like many salads without cheese. This is like potato. Apple, honey, garlic, salad. Many salads. I want to go back to other website. Grade 4, are you with me? Are you with me, grade 4? Let me go to this website. Kiwi salad. Bean, mushrooms, Spanish salad. Spanish salad, yes it is. Mr. Khalid, can you see all of those salads? Okay, good. You can try it at home, yeah. Try it at home and let me know. Mango cucumber salad. Wow. Mango rocket and hazelnut salad. Wow. Rainbow salad. Asian style. This is so healthy, yeah, grade 5, yeah, grade 4. These salads rich with vitamins. So we got like a fresh beginning, fresh dish full of vitamins and minerals. Foxtail mill, millet salad. Kiwi salad. We did kiwi salad before, right? Bean, mushroom. So yeah, grateful. That is the main idea. Right in the search bar, salad recipe, add minus sign. Do not make a mistake like me and grateful. Do not make a space. When you do minus, make sure that the word close to the minus sign. So I got like a result, salad, but without cheese. If I want more cheese, I do plus. Now this time, add a plus sign, shift and plus from the keyboard. I will get like more salad, but with cheese, So we do the opposite. And AI, by the way, helped me to generate a new salad recipe. Okay, but with more cheese. Fresh, tasty cheese salad. Southern pear salad. Easy English pea salad. They add egg, boiled egg. Healthy, super healthy. I got videos. Okay, great for fresh, tasty cheese salad. More salad, more cheese. Salad with cheese also. So I have to try all of these websites. Great for take a screenshot, show me in the Telegram group. Quickly, I'm waiting for your response. Hurry up, great for do it now.